Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Technically Define You. So far, we have discussed so many things about Java programming language, history, features, and some of the recruitment drives like TCS, CTS, and Capgemini. I hope it may useful for you. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the installation process of CodeBlock, which is a popular IDE to run programs like C and C++. Before that, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So, what is IDE? IDE, which means Integrated Development Environment, it acts as a platform to write your code, compile your code, and then run your code in the same place as a single project. Let's start the installation. CodeBlock is an open source software, so you can directly download it from codeblock.org website. You will land in the homepage of CodeBlock. Click on Downloads link. There you will find different ways of downloading CodeBlocks on your system. Click on Download the binary release. There you will find a CodeBlock execution file depend on your operating system. Click on CodeBlock 17.12 MinGW setup.exe file. You will find the package is downloading below. Next, the installation steps. Click on the .exe file that you downloaded, click Next and then agree the statement. Don't check or uncheck anything here, just go with the next button. Choose the installation location. It will browse the location where you want to save your code block. Set up files, then finally click install. It will extract all the dependency files. Wait for the installation to complete 100%. It will ask you to run the software. Click on yes and finish the setup. That's it guys, your CodeBlock software is successfully installed in your system. It will show a default compiler, GNU GCC compiler. Click on OK. The final step is to click on the first radio button. No, leave everything as it is button. Yes, we made it. This is the first page of your CodeBlock IDE. Create your own first project using Create New Project icon. Select the console application and then click on Go button. You need to select C or C++ program and then click the Next button. Then select the project location that you want to save all your programming projects and then click on OK button. After selecting the location, click the Next button. You will find the name of the compiler, GNU GCC compiler. Finally click Finish button. You will find your project has been created in the left panel. Click main.c. You will find a sample programming code which includes of some C programming statements like printf, return and all. Build the project first, that will be same as your compilation, or build and run the project. You can select either way. Wait for the output screen to display and finally you got the output. So your CodeBlock IDE installation is successfully done. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and then subscribe.